Math got bit.
Somebody wrap this bitch back up in a carpet.
You still got no children after your third marriage. You lost so many babies, we should call you miscarriage. You got an hour.
I can't, I literally cannot. What the fuck? Holy shit. Oh my god. Holy fuck, dude. Wow, wow. Just fucking wow. Holy shit, dude. Oh my god.
Got bit.
Somebody wrap this bitch back up in a carpet.
You still got no children after your third marriage. You lost so many babies, we should call you miscarriage.
Oh my god.
But that's about it.